Let me show you how to remove text from a photo on your iPhone. This works well for license plates, watermarks, or any text that is visible on your photos. Now open up the Photos app on your iPhone and identify a photo that you wanted to remove that text for. Let's say it's this one, and I wanted to remove this label with all this text. I can easily do it as long as I've updated to iOS 26. So if you don't have the latest iOS 26, just update to the latest version. Tap on the filter icon at the bottom center, and then tap on Clean Up. This will analyze this whole photo in terms of things you can clean up. But now I can take my finger and I can swipe around this label, selecting as much of this label as possible. And then from there, it'll identify that label as what I want to remove, and it will automatically remove it, allowing all the text to be removed. You can see sometimes it does a good job auto-filling what should be in the background. Sometimes it doesn't do as good of a job depending on that specific photo.